Welcome to the border or police, also known as a cell membrane. The cell membrane's function is to allow things to come in and out of the cell. Flipping the switch can be used as an example that shows the pillars come up to stop things and go down to allow things. Next up is the roads, or in our case, the endoplasmic reticulum. They serve as our transport system to get things from one place to another throughout the cell or city. Buildings/houses, also known as the cytoskeleton. Now, the cytoskeleton is used in the cell to help it maintain its shape and to give structural support throughout the cell. So my houses represent that down below. The trucks, or vesicles. Vesicles are used as a sac that carries fluid or gases through the cell. In my case, it's a truck that carries different goods throughout the city. The city hall, or the nucleus. The nucleus is one of the most important things found in a cell. In my city, the city hall is used to give laws and orders that everyone within the city must follow, just like the nucleus in a cell, which the organelles must follow the instructions. The construction factory, or ribosomes in the cytoplasm. The ribosome's main function in the cell is to convert genetic code into amino acid sequences. In my city, we use the wood here to create new houses to provide for the cell. So that plays an important role in my city as the ribosomes. Next up, the post office, or the Golgi apparatus, one of my favorites. Now, the main function for the Golgi apparatus is to modify, package, and address protein-filled vesicles for export out of the cell. In my city, it could be demonstrated as the post office, which package things and ships them throughout the city. The recycling plant, or the lysosomes. The lysosomes break down excess or worn out cell parts. In my city, those cell parts are trash. The trash is taken to us, where we then use it to create brand new, good material for the city. The pond, or the vacuole. The vacuole's main purpose is to store nutrients and water on which a cell can rely on for its survival. In my city, it shows the exact same thing. We can use this for our own survival as well. The power plant, or the mitochondria, is the powerhouse of the cell. They create energy to drive cellular function and basically all of the biological processes, and it also creates energy for my city. The solar power plant, or chloroplasts. Chloroplasts produce energy through photosynthesis, just like solar panels. And just in case the sun's not up, well, here's my extra energy source. Finally, the city wall, or cell wall. The cell wall's main purpose is to create a protective barrier around the entire cell, or in this case, the city. Thank you so much for watching my presentation. This took me way longer than it should have, and I really put my all into this one. Thank you, and have a great day.